Hi everybody, this is Mr. Aeen, the CEO of Cringe. Hello to my students and also anyone who's going to benefit from this video. So today we're going to look for the GCF of two numbers, let's say 12 and 18. We're going to use our first method, which is listing the factors. So we write down the two numbers 12 and 18. And we look for numbers that multiply together to give 12 or to give 18. So for 12, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. And for 18, we have 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Okay, then you look for common factors, numbers that are the same for both rows. So common factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. But we're looking for the greatest common factor, GCF, greatest common factor. So greatest means biggest. So look for the biggest factor that's common, and that is 6. So the GCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Okay, now we're going to look for the LCM, or least common multiple of 12 and 18. This time, we're going to write the multiples of 12 and 18. It's like skip counting. So for 12, we have 12, like 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4. And we do the same thing for 18. So 18 times 1, 18 times 2, 18 times 3. And you can kind of stop when you find common multiples, or your first common multiple. So your first common multiple here is 36. There's going to be other common multiples, but once you get the first one, you're actually done. So remember, the word least here means the smallest. So the least common multiple of 12 and 18 would be 36. Now, if I actually continue the list, if I can keep going with the multiples of 12 and the multiples of 18, I'm going to find other common multiples. For example, you can do 12 times 5 is 60, 12 times 6 is 72, and you can keep going, but you don't really need to. And then 18 times 4, there's 72. And as you can see, there's another common multiple, 72. But that's bigger than 36, and you don't want that. So we cross that out. So you just want the least common multiple, which is the first one you find. And here it is 36. And now we're going to look for the greatest common factor and least common multiple of 12 and 18 using a different technique called the ladder method. It's a great technique because you get both answers by doing the problem once. So you make a big L, you put 12 and 18 inside the L, and you see what number can you divide 12 and 18 by. There's different answers. It doesn't matter what you pick, just pick one. So 12 divided by 2 is 6, 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then you make another L. See if you can keep going. See if you can divide 6 and 9 by another number. And 3 works here. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now you got to look for the GCF and the LCM. So the numbers on the side could be 1 or it could be more. That's going to represent your GCF. So if you have 2 and 3, just multiply them together, and that becomes your GCF. So the GCF here is 6. Now for the LCM, you're going to look for all the outside numbers. So check it out. All the outside numbers it's going to form the letter L, right? The outline of the letter L. L for LCM. So you take those numbers and you multiply them together. So you have 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. So all the outside numbers. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 3 is 6, and 6 times 6, that's going to be 36. Can't see it right there, a little too low.